Morning, guys. Welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. We got a few things we got to get done today. I'm still waiting on the spear that I ordered to put on the front of the tractor to move these round bales around. It says it's out for delivery for like the last 2 days. So what we're going to do is wait a little bit longer for that, but we do need to move some bales into the lean-to, so we may end up doing that without it. So I'll go ahead and get the tractor going here, and I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. This stuff all stuck in your hair. What is going on? You're funny. Hey, Heidi. Hey, Binks. What's going on? Running away. So these horses behind me are going to be due in early April, right around Easter. They're both pregnant. So those are our next racehorse babies. So the darker one, right there, this is her first and Heidi's third. So hope everything goes well. All right, we're going to run up to the pig barn and feed Jessica. She's still up here. We got a couple more weeks with her until she goes. So let's head up to the pig barn.
For $20 billion in higher taxes on lower and middle income families.
Jessica, she's getting pretty big. That's for sure. She wants her food. All right, well, she goes in 2 weeks, so that I had to move her process date almost a whole month because she just wasn't gaining. Now she's probably around 250, 245, 250. Oh, door's open. I'm gonna warm up a little bit today. It's been pretty cold. The leaves are changing around here. All the good stuff that fall brings. So, all right, well, we'll go ahead and get her fed. Hopefully that bag of feed will last until she has to go. All right, well, she's all fed, and I'm gonna go down and help my wife with the bandage on the racehorse. That should be finished up here in another week or so. But yeah, the weather's definitely changing, that's for sure. All right, guys, I'll see you down at the other farm. We bought this, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. But I don't know if we're going to use it for the horses just because how low it is. It's kind of, I mean, it only comes up to maybe my waist. And down below, I'm going to have to cut those off. You can see how it's kind of rusty over there. So all that would need to be cut off, and then it'd make it even lower. So I don't know if it'd be even worth bothering with. You know, maybe when I get some cows set up, I can use it, but for right now, I don't think it's a good thing to use for the horses. Alrighty, let's see if we can get this fixed up here. I need to check on this wire. This wire is loose right here, so I need to take this off I think should be 7/16. That doesn't help much when it's that loose. I'm gonna go see if I think I have a new one of these. All right, we got the round bales moved. Like I said, I didn't film any of that because I've filmed it so many different times. It's the same thing over and over. So, but now I can finally get the tractor in the lean-to because we're whittling away at these round bales that are underneath the lean-to. I think I told you in the last video, we have 40 round bales that we have to go get, and that's the whole reason why I ordered that spear to go on the front of this John Deere. Update on finding the tractor. I think what we're going to do is wait until next year, maybe beginning of next year or whatever. Just let things calm down a little bit. I think what I'm going to do is just look for a two-wheel drive tractor without a loader or any of that stuff, and then maybe go in the direction of getting a skid steer. We use that more often around here, just doing miscellaneous stuff with it, especially moving around bales. So I think that would probably be the better direction to go with that. But until then, we'll just keep this John Deere going. I'd like to get it in the shop and clean it up, maybe get a new paint job. And I definitely got to get tires for it. Those are around $900 and some a piece. That's just the tire, and then it's another $200 aside just to get them mounted, because they got to come out here and do it. There's no way I'm going to take those off, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm going to check the size out and get those ordered, and hopefully this thing will get around a little better this winter. I don't want to do the chains because those are a big pain in the butt to put on, and I think they're a waste of money for around here. We get snow, but we don't get that much. Better tires, and maybe put some wheel weights on the back of the tractor. I think we should be just fine. But if we get a skid steer before winter, that'll take care of all the snow moving needs that we will need. So, all right, guys, I think that's about it on this video. I know it's kind of short, it's not a whole lot going on, but I just been playing catch up, you know, because we had a hand grenade fall on our laps with the whole rental property and getting that repaired and getting it re-rented. So that's all done. So I'll have more time to do things. But until then, guys, I'll see you next.